video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today at my desk doing this show for the first time in almost a week. Yay! Oh my gosh, I am so pumped right now. Hold on, I didn't press the button yet. I was waiting for the show to press the button. Ready?
No, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Ooh, I could explode. Kaploop. Oh, my soundboard. I can't. Hi, everybody. Guys, if you're ready for the zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share us out, friends. We have so much to cover today. And check out our 3 amazing sponsors. As you say good morning to me and I say good morning to you. They include Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off. Head over to Gemini, trade $100 in crypto, get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. Yeah.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Holy shoot. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Okay, who do we got in the chat? My friend, Blake, I think your name is over there. Guys, please go to youtube.com/missteencrypto because we have sounds, visuals, audio, we have some videos, all the things I said. Go on YouTube. Batman, good morning. Gary Gensler's in the chat.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists,
Ponzi
schemes.
Who else we got? We got Black Hat, good morning. We have David Bowles, piano, Maddie B. Can I get a sound check? Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too? We got David Bowles all set. Good morning, Joe Harvey. Good morning. Bell Miner, hello, my friend, with all the hurricane tips and tricks. Andy S is in the chat, Lurking Shark. Good morning, Mike Volmer, Galaxy 9. We got John Legend. Good morning. Andy S says, press those likes. I agree, right, Kazoshi? Nice to see you over there on the X.coms. Auto Cough Cough. Good morning. Steven, good morning. Oh, boy. Crypto Music, good morning. We got Kev Bounce on X. Bulldog Eric, good morning. We got Auto, I said hello to already. Boo-doo-doo-boo-doo. JR over there. And Calf. Oh, hello, Calf over there on X. Good morning. We got Steven. We got Dusty. We got Juan Comments over there on the X.coms. Good morning. Habibi over on X. Hi, Habibi. We got Hood Crypto out here this morning. Gary's on multiple platforms. Crypto Crabman Drig is here as well. Good morning. Jimmy, my Uncle Jimmy is in the chat. Lasers, good morning. Painful Dr. P, good morning, my friends. Tube and Jar is here. Ron Beal. Scott Herman. Scott, hold on. Scott, is that really you? Sir Scott. Scott is someone that has, in the past, helped me sculpt my workout routine. Though, Scott, we need to revise. We need to revise, sir. So good morning, Scott. I hope you're fit as always and with your beautiful family. He has such a beautiful family. He travels the world with them and stuff. Very cute. Hi, Scott. Who else we got? Noctis, Mike. Oh, yeah, Scott, how did you make it out with the hurricane, my friend? I know you're, not on this side that got slammed, but how are you? Is everything okay? Billy, my other uncle, is in the chat. Hello. We got Emma, Miss Toween Crypto. My boo is in the chat. I want to just squeeze her, give her a little hug. Shout out to Emma and Papa John. Chris B from Canada, welcome. Guys, oh my gosh, you've been crazy. Let's chat soon. I know, Scott, I'm teasing you, but not really, but I'm teasing you. Evil laugh, Guys, I'm like, Saul, Ethan, oh, hello, Ethan. Oh, Ronell, I am. Guys, I'm literally gonna lose my mind. Lose it. Like, I cannot. I am so happy. Like, I can't even put into the words. Put it into the words that I have interwebs and I have the electricity and I could just go live and just talk to you guys through my microphone. Through my microphone, through my board. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
He goes, oh, Billy. Can I have a golly, too? We're okay. Just some debris to clean up. Glad you're safe, too. Well, thank you. We got slammed over here. But we're happy because we're live. I have a friend that lives like 5 minutes away from me that texted me this morning that he doesn't have power still. So that's really sad. And I hope that they get on this. They need to get on it. Right, Saul, with the roses. All right, guys, we're going to get after it because we have missteencrypto Emma Foster in the chat. My little girl. I love her so much. Guys, we have the market recap. We're pamping right now $67,000 Bitcoin. We got mad memes popping off today. MOG is actually down 5%, which is surprising as World Liberty Financial is coming out and releasing the token. When, my friends? We know that the MOG community really enjoys Donnie T. Now we're going to look at Bitcoin, guys. Critical levels for Bitcoin. Guys, $67,170. Oh boy. 67.7 is where we're looking. 67.7 is where we're looking. So bearish scenario, again, is your 64, and even more so is the 200-day SMA, but we did close above it last night, which, again, is super bullish. Now, you're also in the mid between this and 71.5, which is the critical level that we've been watching for a while that's highly important to my soul to feel warm and fuzzy in my heart. Guys, we're going to look at 69K, which was the height of the last bull market. It was the previous all-time high. This line is not straight, and I don't enjoy that. There we go. So 69K, again, the 2021 all-time high. That's exactly what we're looking for. Even more bullish is the top of our range here, which is 71.5. The range goes from 52K just about. You could say 56, but I'm saying 52 to 71.5. We are still in range. We are at $67,373. We're pumping. We're pumping it up. I'm so darn excited. I just can't hide it. I want to shake. I want to explode. Oh my gosh, I love it. Guys, we're up 2% with Bitcoin today. Again, critical levels as we do watch that 200-day simple moving average. Now, looking at the indicators from Market Cipher, we see that the momentum is shooting. She's shooting. We also have the VWAP that's building up that momentum and pushing. We have that money flow that's doing great right now, as well as the RSI that's absolutely pumped in the bullish end of things. Again, we haven't been overbought. We haven't breached overbought since right here in February. So again, it's been a hot minute. And by that, I mean a cool half a year. So Bitcoin being at these levels right now could tell you that we could have some room for more trouble. And by trouble, I mean hopefully a pimp. But again, if you go overbought, there is an incoming downtrend that could be likely. Though, let's just enjoy the up. I really enjoy Bitcoin right now. She's looking absolutely snazzy. Also, guys, we have the weekly that we didn't really get to go into yesterday because I didn't have Wi-Fi yesterday and I was streaming off my phone. So shout out to the new week. That's not really a new week anymore. But again, the week outlines how important 52K is. But most importantly, again, 71.5 with this range, with the selling pressure that we had. So we're looking at 71.5 for the bullish scenario on the weekly. As well as looking at the market ciphers, the money flow looks fantastic. VWAP looks great. Money flow is flowing as that momentum is trying to catch up. It is bullish as well. We also have the RSI that is bordering that neutral kind of zone right here, but pushing up into that bullish end of things. So that's really what we're looking at. We're about to hit 67.5. I would like to see 67.6, 67.7. That's the goal for today. Again, if we keep closing above, we really want to target 69K. I think that's going to be a major psychological level, being again that it is the all-time high from last bull market. Uh-oh. Hold on. Seems like my board ain't working. I think my board is frozen. That's okay. I'll fix it later. I might not have sounds for the rest of the stream. No, Stream Deck. No. Oh, wait, I think I unfroze it. I got it. Test, word. Got it. See? We got this stuff, man. We got it. Oh, I think my computer's like all glitched out because I haven't streamed in like a week off the computer. Looking at Ethereum, though, because she's important. $2,665, 1.3, now 1.4%. Again, the selling pressure is real at this 2640, 2650 level. Now we're looking at the bullish 2770. We keep talking about it because it's valid. If we keep closing above that, we target the 2770, close above that, you're going to look at the 3,000 mark, and more specifically, the $3,040 200-day SMA. Thank you, Preston, for the roses. Now, again, we want to target that 200-day SMA, being that Bitcoin already has somewhat tackled it. Oh my gosh, we're about to hit 67. Woo! Oh my gosh, we tapped our level. We tapped our level. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. 67.7. That's exactly where we want to be. That's exactly where we want to be. I am so darn excited. I just can't hide it. Oh my gosh, are we going to hit 68K or maybe 69 on the stream? Oh boy. Oh boy. I am so excited. 67.7. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I literally am going to tweet my heart away right now because I just can't contain my excitement. Oh my gosh. We are pumping. I love watching Bitcoin price action. You know, it's like Bitcoin was like, Randi got her computer on track. She's got her Wi-Fi, and she is gonna pump it this morning. So Bitcoin's going with us. I love Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin's my one and only. I love Bitcoin. Now, as we look at Bitcoin possibly targeting $68,000. We're going to keep an eye on that. Again, back to Ethereum. 2770 is what we're looking at. We're going to take a gander at market Cipher here. As we are up about 2% for Ethereum, money flow is now green, so that's great. VWAP is pumped along with that momentum. RSI, though, keep an eye on her. She's getting feisty. She's getting feisty. A big push off that neutral going into that bullish. Again, when you have a huge move like this, you might retrace on it. However, maybe it will just carry itself to overbought. Again, just be cautious when it gets to that level. Looking over here at the weekly Ethereums right now, the weekly Ethereums, we're taking a gander. We're looking at, again, 2770 macro. We're looking at the selling pressure we've had at around $3,500, $3,550. Bearish level to watch on the weekly, you're looking at that $2,100 Ethereum. We have the momentum that's picking up with that VWAP absolutely pumping. Money flow is pumping as well. We really need that momentum to cross and go bullish. Looking at the RSI, that is neutral almost, still bearish on the Ethereum weekly, which shows, again, we have a lot of room to run with Ethereum price action, which gives me a lot of hope. As Bitcoin is about to crush $68,000. Oh, boy.
Oh, my God.
Guys, we have a goal. Of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. I'm telling y'all right now, if you aren't happy about Bitcoin pumping, then I don't know what to do with you. I don't. And what I will tell you is that you need to share the love, the Bitcoin love to the stream. Smash the like, subscribe, share this video. Guys, we have a goal of 5 more subscribers today, 17,310, only 5 more. Listen to Piano Maddie B while we're at it.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this
Right, Steve.
video?
Right, Ronell, with the hearts. Thank you. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I'm so excited. Tube and jar. Maybe, I don't know how long it'll take. But if you haven't gotten it by tomorrow or the following day, then let me know, and then I'll find out for you. Let me know tomorrow, more specifically, Before Thursday morning, let me know. Oh my gosh, guys, we're pumping. Let's look at Litecoin really quick. Litecoin is $67 today, 90 cents, up 1.6%. Bearish level to watch is 63. Bullish is the $75 level. Again, right under it now is the $74.20 200-day SMA. Oh my gosh, we're so close to the 200-day SMA. Now we're going to look at the green money flow that's starting. She's blossoming because she just crossed that zero line. VWAP looks good, although the momentum post-green dot has not yet breached that bullish. But she has time. She has zest. She has wit. Now we're going to look at that RSI as well, that we're going to look to push through that neutral and go bullish. But we're still technically bearish at the moment. She's building up that momentum right now. Taking a gander, again, because that's the weekly, we're going to look at the daily. Daily, again, is the same levels to target. Market Cipher, though, telling us that the money flow looks great. VWAP and momentum are pumped and bullish. Looking over here at the RSI, we are bullish as well. So Litecoin is looking fantastical. Fantastic. Fantastical, right? Crimson. All set. Everybody in the chat. So much love to every single one of y'all. Oh my gosh, I can't even contain it. Is Digi here? Did I miss Digi? Hello, Digi. Also, we got Felipe. Hello, Felipe. Welcome, 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 my friend. Oh yeah, there's Digi. I see you. Guys, where's the love on the stream? There's so many people watching. We need to smash these likes, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. I don't know what else to tell you because Bitcoin's pumping. Bitcoin's at critical levels. And if you're not happy with this, then I don't know what to tell you other than to just put an Emma emoji. Guys, the power went out again last night. We woke up at like 3, 4 a.m. 3, 4 a.m., right, Donnie? Right, Michael? We had power that went out last night, but thankfully I woke up this morning, everything was back. Everything was back. And then I was like, my ether webs, my ether nets, it's finally connected. And then I was like, that means I can go live on my computer. Oh gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh my God!
Mike H2O says, love your energy, always appreciate the charts and the laughs. Well, we're always here for a little bit of a giggle wiggle, aren't we not? A little bit of a giggle wiggle. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I can't. I got hair all over me. Where's my hair? Hold on. Oh wait, I got it. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. I can't even contain my emotions right now. I actually can't. Someone asked me why I always wear a dress. You know why? Because a lot of them have pockets. And you know, I'm starting a trend in person where people are like, see me in dresses all the time. They're like, do they have pockets? I'm like, yes. This one does. Maybe sometimes they don't, but not all dresses require pockets if they have the appropriate zest, if you know what I mean. But this one has the zest. I wore this to a Bitcoin conference. I wore this around town. I was just going off in this dress. I love this dress. I do, especially because look, it's cool in the back. You tie it up and stuff. Look. I love it. I love my dresses. That's the next ETF that's dropping is the dress fund. So if you guys are bullish on dresses, please put a heart emoji. Actually, forget that. If you guys are bullish on dresses, put a me emoji. I have an emoji too. Because she's a girl. She looks great in a sundress. Well, thank you, lasers. I like dresses. I do. I love my dresses. I'm always looking, I don't buy anything else but dresses for this show. And I wear them all day, every day. So I don't really care. Hello, Jom. We have Michael that says, super cute. Thanks. I appreciate it. Listen, man. Guys have been watching this for years, had no idea she was talking about crypto. Listen, man, we're here for all the reasons, right? KO Kev, we're here for all the zest. All right, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's get into the news. The news is the news. News is the news. Now, as Bitcoin is over $67,000, I am so darn excited about life. But what I'm not excited about is how awful the banks are. Awful. And you know that TD Bank has been under siege, not just by the United States, but by the country of Canada. Canada. I know I'm just messing around. I'm just so excited. I'm like, ooh, so sassy today. Guys, I love when we find out things. But I hate when they turn it into a crypto mockery. And TD Bank, along with Bank of America, JP Morgan, all these banks, they never follow the rules. Never, ever. Oh, why? Because they just pay and they move on. But gosh forbid, it's a crypto exchange. Oh no, then the world is over. Then it's just hucksters.
Hucksters.
Fraudsters. Scam artists. Ponzi schemes. Sure. Now, we know TD Bank, like I said, was going to face maybe $3 billion in fines. And it seems as though, of course, they found a way to intertwine crypto due to the fact that TD Bank was not following AML measures. They were letting criminal enterprises traffic certain items through the bank, and they obviously didn't care. But now that they found a way to intertwine crypto in it, now the mainstream media is going to report.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Dress, dancer, styling as usual. Dress, dancer, with heart from Vegas.
Oh. Well, thank you, Tech Man. Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate ya. Oh. TD Bank failed to disclose sus activity, and apparently this involved crypto transactions tied to an unnamed customer group. Now, who are they going to blame this on? Is it going to be the North Korean hackers that they make up? As part of a larger investigation into TD Bank's transactions and adherence to AML laws, a FinCEN investigation found that the TradFi Bank failed to disclose sus activity regarding crypto. A consent order alleges that the bank processed transactions for, quote, customer group C, which is as right now an unknown entity, including the facilitation of over $420 million to a financial institution offering crypto services in the high-risk jurisdiction of Colombia. There was a pattern, FinCEN said, of customer group C doing over $100 million in wire transfers a month, most of which facilitated apparent third-party crypto trading and involved high-risk industries and jurisdictions, including Colombia, China, and countries in the Middle East. They saw transactions top $1 billion in a period from July of last year to April of this year, according to the order. 90% of that came from an unnamed crypto exchange, though this one was UK-based. 60% of the ongoing transactions or outgoing transactions went to a Colombian financial institution, again, which is unnamed. The group was tied to a, quote, international crypto exchange platform and received over $650 million from it. However, it's not clear which platform they're referring to. The order claims...
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Bitcoin $67,000.
Yes, sir.
Fire.
Pamp it, Didge.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Pamp it, Didge. Much love to you, my friend. Thank you. Well, it says that TD Bank processed these transactions on behalf of customer group C due in part to a lack of clear controls applicable to customers dealing in crypto. The limited high-level written policies the bank had in place relating to virtual assets alluded to the requirement for certain additional controls and monitoring. Now, this is highly sus because instead of talking about the violations of the bank, and how they pled guilty to these violations, paying that fine of $3 billion of penalties. Of that sum, $1.3 billion went to FinCEN, according to the order filed with the Office of the Government. Guys, this doesn't make sense. Yes, could there have been bad actors related to crypto using the bank? Yeah, but the fact that it went on for so long makes me feel like, again, there's more to the story. And you also could go back to the part where is the leadership of the bank? Who is responsible for AML and following these requirements, as they have never done it correctly? Look at all the fines that TD Bank has gotten in the past few years. All of it relates to AML. All of it relates to not telling the truth. Same for Bank of America. They're paying millions and millions of dollars of fines because they don't follow AML. They don't properly report things. On top of that, Bank of America likes to use your information, your identity to open credit card accounts without your consent. Isn't that darn funny? That the banks just get to do whatever they want, sometimes get to blame it on crypto when it's convenient, and then they move on. No one gets held accountable, nobody gets fired from these banks, and they just get to do dippity-doppity-do. Nothing. It's like a little fairy godmother says, hello, banks. Hello. Here you go. Sprinkle of cash. Sprinkle of cash. Just give that to Gary.
Huckster.
Give that to the gov. Let them spend it on gosh knows what. The banks get away with everything. They get away with everything. So they pled guilty. It's not like it matters, because the bank will still be able to operate in America. How much money has been laundered through these banks? And you could say the past year alone. And give me a reason as to why they operate. Also tell me where the money actually goes. Because you put your money in the bank, where is it? Where is it? Because you go back to the bank, you'll say, hey man, can I get 20K in cash? They're never gonna give it to you. Where is it going? Sign a paper. Lame. Loser activity. Old man activity. I don't settle for this. I want to be my own bank. I don't want to ask these fools for permission. I don't want to go there and one day they're not going to open their doors, or I'm a part of a criminal enterprise where all of these banks are just doing disgusting, nasty things. And we already know who these owners of the banks are associated with and what kind of friends they have, and we know what kind of friends they did to poor and innocent people. I'm going to move on from that because I'm not trying to get removed. But at the end of the day, these are horrible people. They are bad actors, and they're just going to pay their fines, pay off the government, and move on. It just goes to show how disgusting and how dirty the TradFi system is, that it makes me need, and you know what I'm going to say, a shower. I need a shower. I don't like talking about the bank. They're dirty. They're dirty, dirty individuals. Dirty. Who gets held accountable? Nobody. Who gets fired? Nobody. Maybe they even get a raise. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Need a shower. That was gross. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends. Ralph goes, I like to try it, the British accent. Well, hello. I'm drinking my coffee. I did shower already. I know. I'm fresh. I'm fresh right now. I'm fresh. I washed my hair this morning. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I do. I always have my hair washed, but I did wash my hair this morning. I did. She smells really good right now. Yeah. I love my shampoo. I'll tell you that right now. My shampoo's fire. I actually rotate between two different shampoos, but the one I use today, I feel like it really gives the hair like a oomph, you know? I think once I get a haircut too, and I bring it up a little bit, oh yeah. Governor. Yeah, the governor. The curls in the hair. All right, moving on. Oh, I love this show. You guys know me so well. A bob cut? Oh, heck no, bro. Not for me. Other women can pull it off. You have no idea. I was thinking this much. Maybe bring it up to just about the shoulder. Because I feel like if I cut it just that much, it'll really lift. Because I feel like right now it's very weighed down at the top. So, yeah. We're going to get into the news because we're not talking about my hair right now. We're going to... No, I'm not going to do that. My hair would... No. Okay, so guys, we're going to look at the political end of things. Oh boy. It actually really I don't know. I just don't like to talk about it. I don't. Because what's happening right now? What's happening? Kamama. Oh, Kamama. She claimed she's going to support cryptocurrency, but only for a select group of people. She also was claimed to go on stage yesterday and talk about the regulatory framework regarding cryptocurrency if she does win the marathon. Well, it turns out that she didn't say diddly squat last night. Didn't say nothing. But this is what we have from her website, talking about her agenda for black men as part of the Harris-Walz comprehensive push to continue engaging those the black VOTERS, because I'm not allowed to say that word. Now, it says that she's laying out an opportunity agenda for black men focused on equipping them with the tools to achieve financial freedom, lower costs to provide themselves and their families, and protect their rights. For Kamama, getting by is not enough. It's about making sure that the black men in America have opportunity to get ahead, to thrive, and to be the change agents in the communities across the nation. This path-breaking agenda, drawn from insights from her experience throughout her career and from her economic opportunity tour as a VP. It includes, and you scroll, this is the wildest thing I've ever read. Supporting a regulatory framework for cryptocurrency and other digital assets so black men who invest in and own these assets are protected. Kamama knows that more than 20% of black Americans own or have owned cryptocurrency assets, which is why her plans will make sure owners of and investors in digital assets benefit from a regulatory framework so that black men and others who participate in this market are protected. I don't know how to really go about this one. I don't know. This is where one gets canceled. But I'm a little freaking confused, dude. Like, this I feel as though is a reaching for the votes. Now, yeah, I don't even know what to say about this one without like getting in trouble, because I'm all about inclusivity, right? And so crypto, if you look at crypto, it's permissionless, which means anybody, anywhere in the world, no matter where you're from, your race, your religion, your ethnicity, like whether you're blue, white, purple, yellow, like I don't know, you're able to participate in this decentralized financial ecosystem. So the fact that she's almost like segregating people and how she would back crypto just because of that, I'm a little confused. Why aren't we speaking about the whole America? Like, are there other people that need financial inclusion as well? I mean, doesn't everyone have the entitlement to financial inclusion? I think this is a little bit desperado, in my opinion. Though, I don't know. I don't know. I'm politically neutral here. As she did put this in a tweet as well. And she tweeted, black men deserve a president who cares about making their lives better. And then talking about the loans that are fully forgivable, up to $20K for black entrepreneurs and others to start a business, support educational training, all these things, protect cryptocurrency investments so that black men who make them know their money is safe. Why isn't this for, I don't know what goes on here. But yeah, I guess, yeah, I don't know. So that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it there. I don't really know what to say about that. Moving on, because again, she was supposed to give this speech yesterday. Apparently, she didn't really talk about it. Her speech offered no further details on crypto regulatory framework. Again, they revealed the agenda, and she didn't even mention blockchain or digital assets in passing, as she's done in prior appearances, much less crypto. So now she put the word there. So everyone is happy that she put cryptocurrency there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. I mean, granted, she has been in the White House for the past 3.5 years. I mean, if she liked crypto, why haven't things changed? Especially if she's aiming for a certain community, why hasn't this changed in the past 3.5 years? I'm a little confused about that. But as we talk about the politico end of things, we're going to talk about Donnie T, too, because he's a part of this game. He's a part of the game. Now, Donnie T, my friends, sorry, I'm looking at Bitcoin price. Donnie T, my friends, has his World Liberty Financial Project that whitelisted apparently 100,000 accredited investors ahead of the World Liberty Financial Token launch. WLFI is the ticker. Now, apparently, this is going to be a unified platform where people can borrow and lend cryptocurrencies, can create some liquidity pools, and transact with stablecoins. As they are proponents of stablecoins, the Donnie T fam, Donnie T has said that he wants there to be a strong dollar in America as the dollar is declining and not really remaining the world reserve currency. As we know, BRICS and all these other countries are creating their own currencies, breaking off from dollar trade. There's a huge lack of dominance from the American end of things throughout the entire globe at the moment. I always say that stable coins could push hyperdollarization, where you let stable coins be, and other people throughout the world that don't have access to a somewhat stable fiat currency can take part in this DeFi system with the help of stable coins, owning something that has some value to it. Even though we know the dollar is declining, fiat's not really working out too well, and that's why we have Bitcoin. So the token is set to launch today and have its pre-sale today. Here's the news. The Donnie T family-backed World Liberty Financial has whitelisted over 100,000 accredited U.S. investors ahead of its Tuesday token launch, the project said in a Spaces on Monday. The pre-sale of the token goes live in the morning hours today, or exactly 3 weeks before the marathon, where Donnie T is the candidate for winning the marathon. Donnie T is chief crypto advocate of the project. Two of his sons, Eric and Donnie T Jr., are Web3 ambassadors, while Barron holds the title of the DeFi visionary. And again, Barron's around my age, so he definitely knows what's going on. He understands the space, apparently has multiple wallets. If you don't think little Bear is watching these streams, maybe not specifically mine. Well, hello, Bear. You want to chat? Got you. But we know that he's watching these YouTubers. You know that Barron's on crypto, Twitter. Don't be foolish, my friends. Don't be foolish. This is why we produce content, to educate these types of people that have the projects and the power to, I guess, try to take over the financial system and change it all. Although a lot of people are upset because of the fact that you had to be an accredited investor to get access to this token, which the token is said to be non-transferable and only used for governance. Do they specify maybe this is a security, even though, again, you cannot transfer this? Now, non-U.S. investors were subject to local regulations before being whitelisted. Founders Zachary Folkman and Chase Harrow said on the Spaces as well. Several notable crypto figures attended the Spaces, including the founder of Aave, the co-founder of Scroll, and the research cryptographer Luke Pearson from Polychain Capital. The project aims to raise $300 million from the token sales at a valuation of $1.5 billion. This is wild. As we know that apparently on the markets, the betting markets here, Donnie T has a 53.8% chance of winning the marathon compared to Kamama's 45.6%. Where is this all going? That's what I want to know. If you guys want to put your predictions in the chat, put a D for Donnie T and put a K for Kamama. Let me know. Let me know. Guys, please make sure you're smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, share it out with friends. Who is going to win the marathon, Donnie T or Kamama? Put a D or a K in the chat. As people do view this as maybe, in the chat, they're saying another day in crypto. Well, Donnie T has had multiple NFT projects, shoes, sneakers, and has been talking to the crypto community. He said that he would fire Gary
Huckster.
on day one, that there would be a sovereign Bitcoin fund for the United States of the Americas. So that way, maybe we pay off our trillions and trillions of dollars of debt with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I truly believe that's possible. I think the banks are going to fall back on crypto because they know that the banks are over leveraged. Like a lot of them are helmed with the faults of the real estate markets. Because you know a lot of them have New York real estate. New York is declining at a rapid rate. I don't even know if someone comes into office if they could fix New York in the next 4 years. New York is messed up. This is why we need to save America. No matter who is in that house that is white, we need to make sure we could save America. We need to make ourselves free again, healthy again, and make sure we are able to promote the fundamentals of our country, which are also your inalienable human rights, life, liberty, property, as America likes to say, the pursuits of happiness, which everybody should be happy. Everyone's entitled to that. But it comes down to the point where we need to take control and say that we are not giving up. Never will we give up. We will fight for our right to mine. We will fight for our right to self-custody. We will fight for our right to transact without being absolutely slammed. Unrealized capital gains. Get out of here. This is ridiculous. Save America. Save America. Fire Gary Gensler. Restructure the SEC. Restructure this whole darn shindig. Doge, Department of Government Efficiency Commission. Department of Government Efficiency Commission. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. There's so much money wasted in this government. Why in the world does Gary Gensler have a job when you ask him a question about if a Yankee ticket is a security and he goes, well, my daughters actually grew up in New York. You know, I don't really know the last time I went to a Yankee game. Gary Gensler, bro. Gary Gensler. I think I need to pull up that video because now I'm heated. I am heated. Oh boy, I'm heated. Hold on. Gary Gensler, Yankee. That's what I'm looking up. Gary Gensler, Yankee. This is what. Let me get this video. I'm not messing around. I'm not messing around whatsoever. Let's play this darn game. Let's play this game of playing videos. Let's do this. I'm not messing around no more. Listen to this. Gio in the chat. I see you, Gio. Gio, you don't think I see you? You don't think I see you? I am going to yell at you because you know what? You didn't give me a good Halloween costume, so this is all on you. All this anger goes to Gio. This is all for Gio. Actually, no, it's not. Maybe he doesn't deserve that. Maybe he doesn't deserve the energy. Go.
And tell you that the Yankee ticket could appreciate in value and could be resold at a profit in the secondary market. And as is the case with all sports tickets, suppose the proceeds from the sale of the Yankee ticket goes toward paying for the Yankee game. By selling you the Yankee ticket, am I entering into an investment contract with you and therefore conducting an unregistered security offering?
I appreciate the question. I don't know all the facts and circumstances, but I don't think so. I know where we're headed here, Representative, but I don't think so in that Yankee.
So a Yankee ticket is not, and why is the Yankee ticket not a security?
Well, it's really a question, and the courts have been clear on this, is the offer and sale.
Specifically with a Yankee ticket, though, when you're buying a Yankee ticket, what are you purchasing?
You're buying
access to a Yankee game. Is that fair to say?
I understand. It's been a while since I went to a Yankee game, but
Fair enough.
that's...
You're welcome to
I
our
used
Yankee
to,
game.
I used to live in New York, and my three daughters were all born in New
So
York.
in the Stoner Cats case, the creators were selling an NFT that offered access to an animated web series. From the standpoint of federal securities law, is there a legal difference between buying a Yankee ticket that offers you the experience of a Yankee game and buying an NFT that offers you the experience of an animated web series?
Again, I don't want to comment on any one specific...
Well, it was a settlement, it's a fait accompli.
but-
It's not an ongoing litigation. You can comment on it.
But it's about how is something offered and sold. Is it offered and sold as an investment contract? Or are individuals looking to a common enterprise anticipating profits based on the efforts?
Well, I'm familiar with the definition, and you're avoiding the question.
Why does this man have a job? Tell me. Tell me, please. The Piper Academy just read it in. Hello, my friends. Maybe y'all could tell your frat mama. Why? Why does this man have a job if he doesn't answer questions? Why? Tell me. I would like to know. What a darn waste of taxpayer dollars paying this dude. Imagine how much money he makes. Oh, we would be cussing all over the place. Cussing. And that's why we need to audit the government. We need to audit the spending. We need to know where all of this is going. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my wonderful friends and family. Good morning. I have a lot of love for every single one of you guys. OC guy, you know what? He's an actor. That's what the role is. He's not the SEC chair, Gary Gensler. He's an actor. He's a darn actor. I'm surprised he wasn't on SNL before this, because that's how much of a darn joke he is. Watch out, friends. Watch out. Because I'm spicy this morning. I'm spicy. You know why I'm also spicy? Because we have fools. We have fools in this country within these little govy govs. Right, Gio? Gio, how do you feel about this? Do you think there should be a Department of Government Efficiency in Canada? Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. Well, there's apparently a Federal Reserve official, Neil Kashkari. Oh, yeah, maybe he's gonna... Oh, I was gonna say something so bad. Okay, the Federal Reserve official, Neil Kashkari, said that Bitcoin is worthless after 12 years. I think Bitcoin's a little bit older than 12. Just a little bit. But apparently the first few years, I guess, of its existence, it was worth something. Then 12 years, like, to this point, they were like, nah, it's not worth anything. Does he even know what year it is? Does he know what year it is? Minneapolis Fed President Neil Tushar Kashkari weighed in on Bitcoin, explaining that the asset remained worthless after 12 years. He also stated that the U.S. labor market has strengthened and inflation numbers are declining. He stated that, or the Minneapolis Fed stated that the Fed would continue to make data-driven decisions and highlighted that pushing joblessness higher to curb inflation was not worth it. He mentioned that reduced labor could translate into unemployment. So then he also said and emphasized that despite the longevity of digital assets, crypto has not been able to establish itself as a viable currency. On the other hand, he endorsed generative AI and believes that the tech has potential after being around for 2 years. 2 years. Now, let me pose the question to this Fed man: Has Bitcoin not been the best performing asset of the last 14 to 15 years? Oh, wait, hold on. It has. Has the dollar not declined in value in the last 12 years? Oh, well, we know it has. That Bitcoin is worthless. What is the dollar worth? What is the intrinsic value of basically monopoly money that you print? At least when you get a monopoly box, there's a finite amount of dollars and bills in there. And you can't just print more from your printer. But then we have their money printer. And even, hold on, you might get shook with this one, my friends. They have a virtual money printer. So we actually don't know how much money is in circulation because they get to do whatever they want with no transparency. That's how the system works, which is why Bitcoin, which is why we need something that has a finite supply where you see every transaction and you know why it exists. There's a reason why Bitcoin exists. It's called proof of work. It's when you set up a computer that solves all these mathematical algorithms to then solve a block on this beautiful technology called the blockchain. And then once this block is mined, hold on, there's that proof of work that it exists, and also that miner gets rewarded. No way! And then hold on, that reward could be sent to anyone, anywhere in the world with no permission. No censorship. Holy darn. There's a reason why Bitcoin exists? What's the reason for the dollar? When do they get to say, let's print the money, let's hit that printer, go brrr? There's never a reason for it. Never. Other than to devalue you and waste your time and waste your energy. Your time and your energy is not respected with the dollar because they printed 40 to 50% of our money supply between 2020 and 2021. And that's okay? Just devalue every single person in this country except for the mega elites that it doesn't matter because they have so much money? They want to deplete the middle class. They want the haves and the have-nots. And this is why Bitcoin, you have to even the playing field. I am so done with all these people saying Bitcoin is worthless. What's the dollar worth? You tell me. You tell me, especially when they're going to close these banks. If you don't think they're going to close the door to the banks, you're absolutely crazy. Crazy. They already did it in 2020 when there were lockdowns and you had to go to the bank to get money. It was not open. People waiting around the block because the ATMs ran out of cash. When is it going to end, my friends? When are people going to wake up and realize the banks are over leveraged, the banks have no money, and they're devaluing you every single day, printing money and not giving it to us? Where do they give the money to? Other countries and people that are not even supposed to be in this country. People in North Carolina absolutely stranded. People that have passed away and perished because the government didn't care about them. That they blocked people and threatened to arrest people for going to help them. There are still people stranded in North Carolina with no money, no power, no water, no food, and they're starving. Kids walking around the streets. With no parents because something happened to them. What is going on in this country? And they have the audacity to give them $750 as a loan? Get out of here. This is why we need to reform the financial system, reform our government, restructure it all. There's so many people that are dirty individuals that are inhumane. You are just a number to them. But to me, you're a human. To everybody in this chat, you're a person. You're a person. You have a life. You are living. You are breathing. You have blood going through your veins. And that is why I'm telling you that we need to fix the money so we can fix this country and fix the world. We will not let these corrupt, crazy individuals, these sick people, keep doing this. I will not. I will not. Wait, my friends, I will be at these congressional hearings. I will be defending Bitcoin. I will defend this country. I don't care what I got to do. I don't care. I'm going to defend it. I am always, always, always fighting for our rights, as we should. As we should. Nothing more, nothing less. I care about every single one of you guys. These people from the Federal Reserve, do they care about your money being devalued when they get paid God knows what? No. Do you think Nancy P cares about you when she gets the insider trade and no one gets the answer for it, and Gary Gensler doesn't even want to prosecute anybody, but he knows it exists? Come on, guys. This is disgusting. Why do you think they didn't like RFK? Because he said he wants to put government spending on blockchain. As we know that they spend billions of dollars. They don't know where it goes. You give all the money to other countries. You don't know where that goes. And who pays the price? Us. Us. Bring things back to America. Bring the jobs back to America. I am done. I am finite, my friends, finite. Watch out, kids. Watch out, peeps. I'm always fighting for our rights in America. I freaking care about so many things. And I care about every single person that's watching this right now. Every single person. Even people that aren't watching this. Who cares? If you watch this or not, I still care about you. You're a person. You're a person. And we need to realize that we're all people. We all have blood. We all have the same blood. We all have the same things going on. There's no them and not. It should be everybody. But of course, there's a big club that we're just not in. And you know what? We have our own club over here. And it's called freedom. It's called humanity. I care. I care so much. I care so much. I will fight and defend every single person in this world. I don't care who you are and where you're from. You still have a right. You have rights. Inalienable human rights, life, liberty, and property. I'm taking a sip of coffee now. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Did I have a lot of coffee today? Yeah, I did. I did. Oh, my muggy's about to die. That's okay. I went on a tangent. Did I go on a tangent? I did. I did. But I don't care. I really don't, because I care about life. Also, guys, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. I could do a chart request or something to the like. I probably had too much coffee this morning, but darn it, I was also very excited to go live today. So, that's how I feel. That's how I feel. I care about every single one of you. Guys, if you care about humanity, put an Emma emoji in the chat. Let me see it. Or a little heart emoji. Show your humanity. Better times came after the bad days. Well, hopefully the bad days will be behind us. And if not, we're going to fight to get through it. Because we are not going to give up. We're not the community that gives up. We're not the community that lets sheesh slide. We're taking control. We're saying no more. We're saying that we're going to fix the money, fix the world, and help people. And it's so unfortunate what's going on in North Carolina right now, and even in Florida. Even though Ron DeSantis is picking this sheesh up. Ron doesn't leave people out in the dust. Though we've seen North Carolina does, and it's devastating. Who makes that call to not get FEMA? Who said that they had no money left? How do you prove that? How do you prove that? How do you prove how much money FEMA spent on other people that aren't even supposed to be here? It's so sad. We shouldn't even have to rely on those fools. And I'm not even talking about the election, TikTok. Thanks for flagging me. Appreciate you. So ridiculous. See, like, this is the type of stuff we're dealing with. Why are we dealing with all the censorship? I can't even fathom who is in control of that and says, you know, it's beneficial for us if we don't let people speak so we know how obvious our mission is to silence everybody. Why don't you let people talk their ish and that's it? Because they don't want the ideas being spread around about life, liberty, and property. Every single person's entitled to that. Every single person. Doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. Bell Miner, thank you very much for the 10 memberships. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sir Miner. Thank you. I really do care about every single one of you. D. Brandon goes, you're like a nuclear bomb in a little briefcase. Well, thank you. I do my best. I do my best to spread the word of love and unity. It's all about positive vibrations, my friends. Positive vibrations. You speak things into existence, and it'll happen. Just like, just like I'm speaking love into existence, the love will come. Love will happen. Unity, you speak it into existence, it'll happen. We don't care about that one group that wants to exclude us. I don't care about them. I don't. Because we're so much bigger, we're so much better, and we're so much stronger and more peaceful. Bitcoin is a peaceful revolution, my friends. Bitcoin is a peaceful revolution. There's not one weapon that needs to be picked up and used to defend Bitcoin. Not one. You're able to spend Bitcoin, move it anywhere in the world, anywhere to anyone in the world, and it doesn't matter who it is. You're able to do it. You're able to send messages, money. What's money? Value, information. Where you go and look at the Genesis block, and Satoshi put it right there. The title for the Financial Times, Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks. That's why Bitcoin's here, to bail us out from the absolute malarkey of the TradFi system, and how controlled it is, and how evil it is. They probably didn't think Bitcoin would be anything, but now look how big Bitcoin is, and it's something that they can't stop. And who cares who created Bitcoin? Because you know what? It doesn't take away the decentralized financial ecosystem it has created. Nothing takes that away from us. Nothing. Nothing. Shout out to Matthew Smead. Hello. Randy is the new John Locke. I'll take it. See, that's something I couldn't enjoy. Martine says, what price will Bitcoin drop to before continuing the bullishness? Honestly, my friend, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you that. Right, Ronell, with the let 'em cook? I'm cooking out here. I actually cooked some beautiful eggs this morning. Let me actually show you guys my Instagram story. Where's my Instagram? My Instagram. Hold on. TikTok's about to take me out. This isn't loading. That's very weird. Okay. Well, uh-oh. No, my TikTok live. It's rigged. Shoot. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Well, this was my Instagram story this morning. Everyone on TikTok, go to YouTube because my whole thing's glitching over here. So, this was my video from yesterday. Guys, look at these eggs. They were so orange and beautiful this morning. I was so shook. I was like, guys, look at the eggs. I love my eggs. This was awesome. I got so lucky with those because there was like nothing at the grocery store left, but I picked up like the best eggs I've ever had in my life. So shout out to the eggs. Shout out to the eggs. I had a great breakfast this morning. So Yeah, that was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. Shout out to the eggs. And TikTok's messing with me right now because they don't like what I'm talking about, but it's fine. It's totally cool. Oh, man. Yeah, I love this. I love this group. I love this group. I love Bitcoin. I love this community. I will never, ever, 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 ever stop fighting. Can you make me eggs, please? I need my protein. Gio, I don't cook for just anybody, okay? Like, you know, you actually have to be nice to me for me to cook for you, you know? And maybe in the same country. You're not in this country, Sergio. Even if you were, would I cook for you, though? Like, that's the real question. Would I really cook for you? Like, I just don't know. Guys, do you think I should cook for Gio if I was ever in the same vicinity as him? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 or a no emoji. Gio, I feel like they're gonna say no. And maybe I'll agree with them. Maybe I won't. I don't think I would. Hee. Ben Spada said, we love you all over here. Well, so much love for you, my friend Ben. Thank you. Over easy or sunny side up. My vibe today was sunny side up. That's how I felt. Somebody even asked me my morning comments. They're like, what are you making for breakfast today? I said, you know what? Sunny side up with some toast and butter. That's all I want. Wow, TikTok's about to take me out, man. I can't see any comments on TikTok. It's blurring my whole thing out because it's trying to give me a CAPTCHA and it won't solve. So I don't know. So yeah. You're always cooking for us every single day. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you. You know what? I do cook virtually for y'all. But I did make scrambled for the family. I made them scrambled. They're not feeling good. Emma, my dad, she's dating the chat, fool. Oh my God. Guys, I don't do relationships. Like the relationship I have is Bitcoin and y'all. That's my relationship right now. So that's what I got for you. That's what I got for you. But I appreciate every single one of you. I really do, because that's what I need. That's what I need is y'all. You guys are all I need. Love is all you need, 'cause all you need is love. Love is all you need. 'Cause I love the Beatles. Shout out to the Beatles. That's the Beatles, right? I'm not crazy. But yeah, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like, it's actually incredible the time we've had this morning. I think I exploded a little bit. I think I had a little bit of a kaploo moment today. But you know what? I was so excited because now I'm like in front of my screen. I have my computer that has Wi-Fi. I was on the phone with the interwebs company all day yesterday trying to save my complex once again. So that's really what I got. Gio, no. Why don't you sing it for me first? And then maybe I'll consider singing for you. 'Cause all you need is love. Love is all you need. I care about you so much, guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. All we need in this world is to help each other, give each other that love, spend time, use your energy for the right things, and fight for our freedom. So that's what I really care about. And again, I'm hoping, come on, TikTok. Yes, I got TikTok back. Ronell, you started with such good energy and big smiles. It was infectious. Oh, thank you. Rap Fuel, hello. Rudpot's a member for 16 months. Said 16 already. Damn, time flies when you're having fun. Well, cheers to you, my friend, with those emojis. Cheers. Cheers, my friend, cheers. My mug's dead. Oh my gosh, my dad just invited Gio on the show. Darn it, Gio, I think my dad actually likes you. Like, that's crazy, man. That's crazy.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
My dad's giving Gio more love than me.
Lol.
Oh, thank you, Sir Hood. I tell her GM and she replies with, I deserve no love. Gio, did I say that though? Like, did I say that? I don't think I did say that. I don't think I did. Gio, I think we're gonna have a conversation about this. You're very unruly. You're very unruly in this chat. Do you guys agree? Do you think Gio's unruly? And why wouldn't he just like, my dad literally invited him on the show and goes, why don't you sing? Did Gio say in the chat, You know what, Randy? Send me the Zoom link. Send me the Zoom link. Let me sing for you, darling. Let me sing for you. He didn't even do that. So does Gio really care about me? I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no. He doesn't care about me. Jimmy G, thank you. Rap Fuel says, I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Sir Rap. Thank you. Unruly. Bring on Gio. I don't think he wants that. Gio, you have 5 seconds. You have 5 seconds to accept my invite to come on the show. And if you don't, then I'm never inviting you again. Never. 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 You got 5 seconds. We'll close out the show together if that's what you want. And you know what? You know what? See, that's so good. I'm being so nice to you right now. That's crazy. All right, guys. How do you feel? Do I bring Gio on the show? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or a 2 and a no emoji. Let me know. Let me know. Gio's at the gym. Oh, wow. Excuses. Get on this right now. I'm actually not even giving you an option now. Copy invite link, Discord. Where's Gio? Wow, he didn't even answer my last message on there. You know what, Gio? Like, you're such a capper, bro. You're such a capper. Gio, go on the Zoom right now. I'm bossing you around. Go on the Zoom right now. I don't care if you're at the gym. Sing. Let's go. He's got 5 seconds. If he doesn't answer me, then I gotta end the stream alone. See, is that crazy? Is that crazy? I offer him the stream. I'll come on the stream for our collab Halloween stream. Gio, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Someone said, where's Gio? Gio's not here because Gio's a little wiener. He's being a weenie this morning. He's being a little weenie. But you know what? You know what? Other people in this chat have more audacity. I have more audacity. See, I wouldn't see if this was the other way around, I would have hopped on that stream. I would have been like, you know what? I'ma sing for you, girl. I'ma sing for you, gal. Yeah, see, now he wants to pick. Yeah, he doesn't get to pick now. He gets nothing. He gets nothing. Get nothing. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. I know I went crazy bananas, but I just couldn't help it because I love this so much. I love every single person in this chat. I love this stream, and I love Bitcoin. I love crypto. I love Bitcoins doing what you love. Dogecoin right here, Department of Government Efficiency Commission, my 3 sponsors, Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, Gemini. I have so much love for every single one of them. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you haven't yet, please listen to Piano Maddie B. Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Big bang.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
girl, baby, girl. Don't even play. And smash that like button. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Have a beautiful day. A happy Tuesday. I will see you guys tomorrow. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.
Hucksters.
Come on,
Fraudsters.
Gary. Just because I expected
Scam
Gio to
artists.
sing, it doesn't mean he's a
Ponzi
security.
schemes.